Hi there and welcome to this episode where we're going to learn blanket stitch. And for this stitch I'm going to use 2 strands of embroidery floss with a little knot in the end. And I'm going to start on the left hand side of my marker point and pull the needle all the way through. I'm then going to put the needle back in again about the distance of one of my running stitches and keep a loop of thread on front of my fabric before pulling the needle up through directly above the second hole that I've made. I'm then going to pull the needle all the way through, slip it through the loop and pull it tight. Moving along to the right, I'm going to put my needle back in again, leaving a loop of thread on top, and then bring it back through directly above that stitch I've just made. And again, slip it through the loop, securing that second blanket stitch. And I'm going to move this way along the marker point, trying to keep my stitches as even as possible. And one of the challenges with this stitch is to try and keep the uprights first upright and not leaning, and then secondly directly above that point and at an even length all the way across. Without marking them on beforehand, it's sometimes easy to get some long and some short uprights, so you might want to give yourself a bit of a guideline before starting this. So I'm coming on to the last couple of stitches now, bring my needle back up again through the fabric directly above the hole I've just made, pulling it all the way through and slipping it through that loop to secure. And to finish, once I've caught this last loop, I'm going to bring my needle down through the fabric just outside this last stitch, and that helps to secure all my blanket stitches in place, and I'm ready to tie it off at the back. Blanket stitch done.